let's talk now about the broadband access solutions. We understand that you are launching here at Mobile World Congress some new products.
Indeed.
What are they about?
Indeed. Intracom Telecom, since 2003, if I remember correct, has been innovating in the arena of the multi-point access and backhauling. At that time, we put together our first generation YBus, and we are really pleased in this event today to present our fourth generation of YBus multi-point system. This is a terminal, actually, device, which is meant to be deployed for residential access. This is the YBus Connect device, which is a very lightweight device operating in licensed band frequencies and providing high capacity to residential. When I'm talking about high capacity, this is in the order of 250 to 270 megabits. This is in excess of any other technology, whether it is WiMAX, whether it is LTE, whether it is ADSL right now. The second and most important feature that we are presenting this year in Barcelona is our OSDR platform. And OSDR stands for Outdoor Software Defined Radios. This is something that Intracom alone in the world is designing and selling already to customers, requiring radios, microwave radios, to operate either a backhaul or access infrastructure. The innovative concept of this radio is that one can only stock and buy one type of radio, but with the use of license keys, software license keys, can operate the radio, whether it is point-to-point connectivity or multi-point hub and multi-point terminal. This is one radio, three functions. And besides that, besides the versatility of functionality, our radios are leading in the world in capacity. Our multi-point radios offering now 1 gigabit of capacity per channel per radio. And in the point-to-point configuration, we are offering close to 1 gigabit of capacity per channel. Simply because we are one of the very few vendors implementing the 4096 QAM technology for the transmission.
These are both outdoor solutions, two outdoor products.
Indeed.
Yes. What are the extreme conditions that they can face? Yes.
Good question. Really good question. These are all outdoor radios, and we have taken into consideration the diversity of our clients, whether they are in Africa or in the Middle East, or whether they are operating in cold environments. So we're trying to make our products to survive, if I can use this expression, even at very cold environments like minus 50 degrees centigrade. The radios are hardened also in the terms of the certification for dust and water intrusion. Actually, there is no possibility to have water intrusion because they are certified for IP67 type of operation.
So if outside we have for about minus 50 degrees, are your equipments going to work also?
They are going to be the only equipment to work in this low temperature. Everybody else will be failing.
Even for plus 50 degrees?
Even for plus 65.
Who should be your customers for these solutions? The mobile operator, or do you have some other segment targets in mind?
We tried with our technology to put into one product the combined requirements of a diversity of customers. There are customers operating our networks for LTE backhaul, customers operating our radios for 3G backhaul, but also customers operating our radios for access, for small, medium business, small, medium enterprise access. Now, with the introduction of the YBus Connect, we are glad to offer an option also to operators, wireless ISPs, I could name them, to deploy them also as residential access.
What about, for example, a police station? Could they use as a solution?
I have to say that we have customers already, police forces in Europe, already deploying our products, the OSDR particularly, as a secure communication infrastructure connecting police stations with the headquarters or police stations to each other. And we really appreciate their trust, because it took us a lot of engineering effort to develop this product to be able to do exactly this, to be a secure infrastructure for these mission-critical organizations.